Hi everyone.
I was asked to do a video of the wiring for the BB recoil and how the servo attaches to the Heng 6.1S. So as you can see, the servo is mounted on the side as in the other video, which then I've used an extender, servo extending cable to make it a bit longer, which then travels down into this port. That is the trigger that is the back of the BB unit, and that's what makes it all work. And then the actual BB unit is where it normally goes in most of the usual instructions, and that's how it works. So there, and into that port. So it's the port closest to the trigger. The other side is for elevation, and that's about it. Yeah, sorry it's a bit of a spaghetti junction. Alright, thanks.